Hey guys, on this episode I'm going to be showing you something very unique. So what do you think happens when a cabbage grows too big? Well, it's not a question I ever wondered, but now that I've been growing some cabbage, I found out. I didn't harvest my cabbage in time, and well, this happened. So apparently a cabbage will gain too much tension when it gets too big, and it'll split right in half. Now I'm going to have to cut into this and see if there's any worms and slugs and nasty stuff in there, but yeah, it's pretty interesting. So this is the best knife. I have right now. I have a bigger one, but it's dirty, so this will have to do. Now normally I would juice all these outer leaves, but my juicer just broke the juicing screen. You can already see there's a slug right here. Okay, I'm gonna go toss this guy outside quickly. Ugh. This cabbage got kind of ransacked by aphids, but you can just kind of peel off the layer and usually get rid of most of it. Well, after I cut everything off, I was left with about this much. It's about half the cabbage, but that's including all the rough stuff on the outside you get rid of anyways. So maybe about a third of the actual cabbage. But yeah, pretty interesting that it split on its own. And there's actually something else in my garden that split on its own from getting too big as well, which I'll show you right now. So come check out this kohlrabi that's in my garden. I didn't intend on the kohlrabi splitting, but I simply can't eat enough of it in time, as I had 3 patches of it, so you just kind of cut off the bad stuff and use the rest. So that just about does it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it, and have a great day.